So there are three main types of lipids, and today we're going to be looking at triglycerides, which is our fat, and we're also going to be looking at phospholipids. At this station, we have glycerol, we have 3 saturated fatty acids, we have 2 unsaturated fatty acids, and we have a hydrophobic head. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to create a triglyceride, which is composed of 3 fatty acids. So I'm going to take 1, 2, and 3. So 3 fatty acids. And we're also going to look at the glycerol molecule. Thinking about digestion and biosynthesis, we are going to create our triglyceride. So we're going to grab our glycerol, and we can see that there is a bunch of OHs attached to our fatty acids. So remember, red is oxygen, white is hydrogen, OH. Through biosynthesis, which is when you remove water, so I'm going to remove this and this, we're going to create a water molecule, which means this is now going to bond, our fatty acid is going to bond to our glycerol. I'm going to do the same thing here and here, so I'm going to remove that OH, going to remove that H, we're going to create another water molecule. We have our 2 fatty acid tails. Our 3rd fatty acid tail is going to attach. We're going to create another water. And we have just created our triglyceride. So glycerol with 3 fatty acid tails and then 3 water molecules. So we just created fat. Now what we're going to do, we're going to reset these items. And we are now going to create a phospholipid. So we're going to remove one of the fatty acids. We have our glycerol, we have our fatty acids, 2 of them, and now we're going to bring in this hydrophobic head. Phospholipids are made up of fatty acids joined to a phosphate group through a glycerol molecule. So this is what our cell membrane is made out of, and we're going to go through that same process of biosynthesis, which means we are removing water in order to create it. So same idea, OH, H, that creates H2O, bonding together, OH, H, H2O, bonding together, OH, H, water, phosphate group. This is the zoomed in version of this. So these yellow portions are representing the 2 tails here, and then this red portion is going to represent right here the hydrophobic head. So pretend like there's a little circle here, and then these are the 2 tails.